We continue this evening walk. We're just gonna go on this big street. Then we're gonna cross the red light over there, make a loop in the residential neighborhood, and then head back home. There's a couple walking a dog over there too, coming right behind us. And Chicken doesn't walk very fast, so they're gonna have to like wait and cross. This is what our evening looks like right now. We come here, Chicken and I come by here every morning. Finch is not used to this walking where there's a lot of people. We came here in the morning. And then there's the Wall Street Pizza with their logo. We know how to make those. Crazy. Yeah. Wall Street Pizza. We know how to make those. And every time I walk by here, I want to eat pizza. It's a UFO truck. Waiting for the light to go, for the light to turn green so we can cross. Chicken waiting. Now he's probably asking him to get pet. Pet me, pet me. And Chicken, he'll leave me for somebody else. He doesn't care. What? Yeah, yeah, it's fine. He's gonna want to go with you then. Trust. That's what he does. Come on, come on. We're gonna go through that street right there where you see the stop sign, heading to the residential neighborhood. There's a lot of cars coming here.